this age of AI, and your CEO and CTO are actively, your leadership is actively talking about, this new world that we belong to now. Does marketing, does it get democratized because you are able to put maybe agents or other form of capabilities to this long tail out of these 23,000 partners that you have that were not possible before because the ROI were questionable and you didn't have visibility?
AI, when we think about AI in marketing, like its impact to marketing will remain in a couple of buckets. One is, and everything I'll talk about is generative AI and not predictive. Predictive has been around for a very long time. When we think about, we were doing it at Microsoft, and we do it here, of how do you use AI and ML models to do predictive analysis of who your best customer might be in your funnel. When you think about Gen AI, the number one example where you can lean on Gen AI is content production, right? Being able to go in and create a very specific asset for somebody. We're just at the frontier, but I really have a vision where a partner might come along and say, I love this campaign that you've created that I can use. It's for supply chain, for CFOs in an industry, but I need something a little bit more specific. And putting AI to task there is, how do you take something that humans may have generated, but get it down to the pixel? That would take a really long time, a lot of V teams, people working to get something so super custom. But AI becomes a very easy use case to create content production that is purpose built, like literally in a sales cycle. And so I think there's a lot of potential there. AI also becomes an area, we'll say, for concierge functions. If you're a partner and you just want to know what a best practice is, you could call a telephone line and hopefully you reach a human. But hopefully in the backend platforms, the ability to say, hey, what are the best programs I could run right now for upper, mid, lower funnel? What has an ROI above a certain number? And what should I do? AI should come in with everything that's been done, so long as you're able to see it and track it and say, this is what I recommend you go do. And so really helping a partner go further with recommendation engines has a lot of potential.